Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to send money internationally on Remitly mobile. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so you can either choose to go to Remitly website or download the application on your iPhone or Android device. So I'm on my iPhone, so I'm just gonna go to the iOS App Store. If you're on an Android device, you just have to go to the Google Play Store and search for Remitly here, and then you just have to click on this application, click on get and download it. So once you do that, it's going to be pretty straightforward. You just have to create an account on their email, select the country you want to send money to, and just select the currency you want to send from, and just add in the amount of money you want to send. It's pretty straightforward, and they'll give you some simple steps that you will have to follow, and this is how you send money on Remitly mobile internationally. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.